Damn it, OJ on the hills, man.
Oh my god, that's a trippy beat.
Take care of my city like Bumpy Johnson, but I want these problems. When this shit gets sticky, T with me, he loading up them choppers. Keep a bad bitch with me, said Diddy, she love to get that mouth up. Count the green, get between them titties, lil' mama pull that blouse up. Pull out game on Picasso, rolling strings of gelato. Lil' baby Dominicano, she a gypsy in the bottle, Demi Lovato. I'ma go into that line, go flat. Count driving that Benz and I'm riding back. I don't need no pen when I'm making these tracks. You can try track it, but your shit still whack. Free my niggas in the pen, couple niggas in the max. Drinking my Beijing, rolling up a bag. Yes, what I may see, but you know I don't care. I remember had to see young niggas stay strapped. Now it's big business, I don't play that. Getting head whipping down, stay there. Know all you little niggas hate that. Damn it, OJ on the scrape pad. Going up.
Oh well, we about to try something, y'all. Let's change. Damn, what did I say the zone was? 80211. Let's see what zones they got. Okay, Northwest Denver, North Denver. Let's see what this one about. If this is close to me. Change zones. Maybe. Oh, yeah, that's right, my zone. Yeah, Sharsky. Uh-oh. I see my first offer. $12. Arvada? How far is that? It's not too far. I'm like somewhere right here. I should take that, huh? 2-stop Sam's Club? Nah, I ain't gonna do it. But hey, first offer. What time is it right now? 7 a.m. So I might do some Spark. I didn't come to Denver for Spark. I just wanted to see if any offers will pop up. Hopefully something else come in that's good. And we might do a couple offers, man. At least make this gas money back. I paid about 65, put about 65 in the tank to get here. So if I can make a quick 65 this morning, I don't know. But yeah, man, we here. As y'all can see, it was snowing in Denver. But yeah, man, I'm posted in my little spot I always come to, parking between a couple cars. And yeah, catch some Z's. I don't think no dispensary is really open until by 8. So I might take a little nap. We'll see. But I'm gonna stretch back, lay back, and see how the day go. Okay, there we go. 5 miles. $14, 5 miles. You know what? I could probably take that low key. Apartments. I mean, it's $14. Should I just take it, y'all? Just to give me something to do? Should I do it? Yeah, I might. Yeah, let me just do it just to get the ball rolling, man. Get y'all a quick little Spark video in Denver, Colorado on this lovely Saturday morning. There's like 5, or there was 5 Spark drivers. No, why they cancel this one? Are you serious? There's no way. Okay, they gave it, yeah, they gave it back. Well, this is a different one, or it's the same one. It's only one item. But yeah, we got 2 Sparks, 14, 13. So that's $27 total. And we're gonna sit here and patiently wait, man. But so far, so good. As soon as I switch my market over, we got some offers. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna come out to Denver probably for like a week and work, Spark, smoke weed, and chill and vibe. Cancel? Why are they canceling? What the hell? Why are they canceling these trips? Okay, we seeing a couple. $18, $25, $14, 4 miles, $13, 2 miles. Oh, shopping pay. Oh, $37. Let's go. We definitely taking that one. Come on. We about to cancel this other one. Ooh, how far? I didn't even check that. Where the hell is that at? Ooh, I don't know if we can do that one, gang. I'm definitely gonna have to cancel this one. I gotta cancel that one. Damn. I don't know why they keep canceling these orders, yo. Accepted by mistake. Can't do that one. Just wait for something good, I guess. I might as well just take this little $13. But this is the same one that I've been getting. I don't know what's going on here. $13, 3 miles. I think I can't click because I already done. But I think it's like yeah, I can't even view it. Like 8 items or something like that. So we got our first shopping pay. Thank God. How far I am for this Walmart? 3 miles. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all at Walmart. There's really nothing else to see. I just wanted to get y'all this scenery, man. Just look at it, boy. I love Colorado, man. Actually, you know what I'm thinking? No, this is my second time in Colorado when it was snowing, I believe. Or it might really be my first time seeing a snowy Colorado. Nah, it's my second time. It's my second time. But, yeah, man. All right, I'm going to catch y'all on this shopping pay. I think this is a new area, y'all. Is this a new? I don't think I've been here. Yeah, this is a new Walmart. Okay. It's good I get to at least see the Walmarts and know kind of what they look like in the areas that I'm going to. You know? Oh, Ace is right here. Oh, they must come out that side door right here. Okay. All right, this Walmart's a little busy. Just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and Honcho, you ready to go outside? Huh, buddy? Woody? All right, I'm about to take Honcho out real quick. And I need to put some pants on, man. I'm cold as hell. And then, yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all inside this Walmart, man. Like, share, subscribe, click that post notification bell so you can stay tapped tuned to when we drop. I gotta find somewhere to take Honcho. Honcho, what's she doing, bro? Look at this dude's face. All right, y'all. I see what I got on. Stupid as hell. But we got the little outfit, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to go change real quick. I'm gonna catch y'all inside. This fucking idiot associate. So I pull up over there, right? Associate come outside smoking a cigarette. Okay, I got my keys. I'm like, yo, sir, I got a question. Is you know which side is the groceries? He gonna say, I'm not sure. How do you not know if that entrance or this entrance is where the groceries are? That makes no fucking sense. There are 9 items. Okay. Of course, the groceries be on the other side. God damn it. A6. I ain't gonna lie, this Walmart dead. Ain't nobody here. A66. A6 10986. What am I looking for? No? Huh? Turkey pot pie, right? No, chicken pot pie. Chicken pot pie. Chicken pot pie. What? Come on, cuz. There we go. 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. What's next? A6 13. A6 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Boom. 2. Okay. Yeah, this Walmart is dead. Like every aisle is dead. Shit, I like that. All right, y'all. So, not on this phone, but my other phone, I just got a shop and pay, $16, one item, just some dog food, going 6 miles. So it's about a total of what? Close to 30. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Now we gotta find the J's. This is a nice little Walmart. Try to see how dead it is in here. Nobody. Shit, this might be my new Walmart anytime I'm out here. That's it. Bro, I'm probably literally the only shopper in here. Where the hell everybody at? Talking about dead. Oh, there we go. We got a shopper down there. Always gotta wait for somebody, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all, I just low-key missed it. She literally just scanned and left. Oh, okay. How you doing?
It's the same item, I only need to do one. Same product.
Same product, yeah. So you gotta go to customer service to get the bags. I've never heard of that before. Huh? Oh. So basically, if you got a shop and pay and a whole bunch of stuff, so that makes sense of why that lady just took the shit and went to her car. That's crazy. Excuse me, they told me for Spark you have to come here for bags.
Yeah, we just gotta check your. You should have been a disc jockey.
That was pretty good.
That was good.
Remember when I first started?
All right, y'all. So probably, I don't know if this is all Walmarts here in Colorado, Denver area, but man, so they don't have bags, right? Come on, man. They don't have bags. You literally have to do a cart check, right? You got to do a cart check. The sausages y'all seen in the last clip, she was, oh my God, I don't even want to explain it. That just really pissed me off. Then you got to go to customer service so they can check your bag or they can check your items again so you can get these bags. Now, it's cool and all, but what if you got a lot of groceries, man? You're going to be having 1,000 bags. So that's the first major turnoff that I've seen so far with shopping pays. So now I know anytime I'm here, you got to do this whole process. They got to scan it, check all your items, and she was checking everything. Like, she held my phone for a minute. They check every item. Oh my God. Then you got to walk all the way to customer service just to get these bags. And then they got to check each item. It's just too much. Too much. So I'm going to just do these 2 trips and call it a day, gang. I'll come out here and work when I'm not rushing. You know what I mean? Alrighty. So, sorry, y'all, I got a lot going on right now. God dang it. Hat. God darn it. Alright. Whew. Hope I don't fall. But first drop off here in Denver, man. Yeah, thank God it's not a fucking apartment complex. 4456. I believe this is the right one. Double check. Yep, it's the right one. right, y'all, that's gonna conclude my video. Appreciate y'all. I just wanted to do a couple of deliveries. Yeah, man. So far, so good. I like the market, even though I only did 2 trips, but that's gonna conclude this vlog as far as Spark, man. So y'all stay tattooed. We're gonna do some more Sparks in Denver. I just wanted to do a quick 2. I wanna say I probably made like $41 within 2 trips, because the ones that I had before, I had like 4 or 5 orders that got canceled back to back, and I kept getting paid that $250. So yeah, man, $41, 2 trips, not too bad. But that's gonna conclude it. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, click that post notification bell so you can stay tattooed when we drop. I am right now heading to one of my favorite dispensaries out here. And you wanna know what's so clutch? So the drop off I just had, I'm basically right around the corner from the Green Rhino. So yeah, man, it's probably gonna wrap it up. I just wanted to show y'all, see what Spark is like. The only negative thing I can say right now about it is the simple fact that at Shopping Pays, now I don't know about all the Walmarts here, I know at that particular one, they don't have no bags. So imagine you got a Shopping Pay for 40, 50 items. They gonna check every item, make sure you got the right amount, which is cool. But then you gotta walk all the way to customer service just so they can check it again and to give you those little brown bags that y'all seen in some couple earlier clips. So that I really don't care for. But yeah, I think I would like this market, man. I'm probably gonna come back out to Denver, maybe stay like a month or 2, you know what I'm saying? See what the market like or whatnot. But yeah, we actually about to pull up on this Green Rhino right now. It's like around this corner right here. But yeah, y'all ain't gonna see that until, I don't know. Y'all might see, I don't know. We'll see. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little tired. I haven't had no sleep yet. Yeah, man. Just out here gritting, out here grinding. Quick little 24 hours in Denver, Colorado. And yeah, that's gonna be it, man. Like, share, subscribe. Click that post notification bell so you can stay tattooed when we drop. Well, I almost at 2,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, man. And stay tuned to what we got going on and what we got planned. You heard?